In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to create a master project in either Project Online or Project Server. In Microsoft Project, a master project is a single project consisting of other projects that are inserted as sub-projects. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to create a master project in either Project Online or Project Server, so let's get started. To create a new master project using the fastest method in Project Online or Project Server, first launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Project Center page in PWA. Once there, select the row header, that white box at the left end of the project row, for each of the projects that you want to insert as a sub-project of the new master project. Then, in your Projects ribbon, click the Open Pick List button. If you want to insert the selected projects read-only in the master project, choose the option in Microsoft Project. But if you want to insert them read-write, then choose the other option in Microsoft Project for editing. That's what I want to do, so I'll select that option. The system will always warn you about a potential security issue, so go ahead and click the Yes button when you see that. If Microsoft Project is not already running, the system will launch the software and connect you to the Project Online or Project Server system. Then it will automatically create a new master project using the projects you selected in the Project Center page. Expand the sub-projects beginning at the bottom. There. That shows me the new master project. Widen or narrow any columns you need to, and then when ready, go ahead and save and publish your new master project. Now you know how to create a master project in either Project Online or Project Server. If this video was helpful to you, I trust you will like, share, and subscribe. And if you do have a question or comment, please drop it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.